Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix this language problem in your game loop. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, as you can see, if I'll click on this three dot and if I'll go to here, as you can see there is no option to select English language over there. So what I have to do is I have to exit this option, this game, and from here you have to exit. Once it is done, you have to open Runbox on your computer, just pressing Windows and R button together, and you will get this Runbox. So also you can go through your start menu, just click on your start menu and type run. Let me try once again, run, and open this run app on your computer. Once it is open on your computer, you have to put over there regedit, this command. So I will give you this command on my video description. So registry edit, you have to put over there regedit, and after that click on OK, and now click on yes. After that you will get a window like this. So what you have to do, you need to expand this option which is called H key current user, and after that expand the software, and now you have to scroll down and to find Tencent. So here it is, as you can see. So expand that one also, and now you have to select mobile game PC folder. So select that option, and on your right side corner you will get one option is called user language. So right now it is, as you can see, jet_cn is showing. So you have to double click on user language, so double left click, and after that you have to put over there en_us, and after that click on OK. Once it is done, you have to close this window. Once again you have to open Gameloop on your computer. Now let's see. So as you can see, the language is automatically changed to English. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.